Yo, what's good with y'all? It's your boy Slender here, aka Bloody Justice or whatever. So, if y'all having a problem with better Discord, cause I know it's like fucking y'all up. So, this will be in the description right here. BD patch, and technically all you do is you just double press it, and then it should open your Discord. And if it doesn't, all you gotta do is just, press it. And if better Discord doesn't, if it doesn't work, before you do all that, you want to click accept. Next, you want to click repair. You want to click on Discord and you want to click repair. And I already have better Discord on it, and mine's working. And honestly, if it doesn't work, you have to go on like your plugins. So I put like some of my plugins on from better Discord into this, like a new folder, so it doesn't crash my shit. So yeah, just use this. It works 100%. And if it doesn't work, just let me know and I'll try and help you out. But yeah guys, that's pretty much how you do it. For proof, I'll show you guys that I do have better Discord, because I'm not about to be a L man. So as you can see, BD right there. All my plugins right here. Everything stereo still works. All you gotta do is just echolocation, turn it off, turn this off, and you straight. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to fix it. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Peace out.